Okay, today we are going to talk about, I think it's pronounced Wiffiti, Wiffiti, and I am using the instructions on the jeffhurtblog.com site. It's a specific page called Take the Wiffiti Plunge. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, I'm going to show you how neat this is. It allows you to show different texts and Twitter tweets, as well as Flickr accounts, all on this board, and you can choose the background, and also people can just text in right from their phone, text in their number and a message, and it shows up on this big screen, and it keeps rotating, and it's pretty cool. So I'm going to go through the steps. It's completely free, and here is how to set up and use Wiffiti. Let's bring it in here. Okay, so number one is, of course, you got to go to their site, and their site is right here, Wiffiti.com. Don't worry about the /new. That's because I'm making a new board. That's what these are called. But anyway, step one says start by creating your screen. Okay, so you create tags, metadata that people would use for search terms for your event. That's cool. So I'm going to give it a name here, and I'm going to do Wiffiti test. Cool. And then it asks me what board type, and the options are Wiffiti or Wiffiti. Okay, I'll pick Wiffiti. Now, let's do some tags. It says Twitter here, but these tags are actually search terms that you're going to want to use so your board can be searchable. Cool. So I'm going to pick public speaker. Oops, let's spell it right. Speaking, public speaking. And let's do small business, internet marketing. See, I'm not really sure how many I should put in here because it doesn't tell me. But from doing a couple tests earlier, I found out that you can only have 2 tags. So pick your best tags. Now you can follow a user, and the user, you just type in and their Twitter name if you want to do Twitter or Flickr. So let's just do Tom and Tion, if I can spell it right. And let's follow this user. And luckily, you can add more than one user. So the more users, the better. So we'll do them, and then you can keep going, and then those will show up on your board. So you're gonna, if you have more people, more followers, feel free to add them into this follow user box. Now, the board options ask you for a header message and a footer message. So the header message, let me show you what this looks like. The header message is up at the top, obviously, and it says something like text at plus the message to A7 whatever. So let's see here. I'm going to put my header message in, but I don't know what number to tell my people to dial in. Is it all the same number? I'm not sure. It doesn't tell me here on this website. So I'll just say text your message to us here. Exclamation point. Okay, and then we're going to put a footer message. The footer message could say something like, send us your funniest moment, or anything along those lines to get somebody to text, or you could just say, send the number again, the number that we don't know and we can't find. So hopefully we figure that out later, but I'm just going to say, check us out. Okay. Then it asks, do you want to show photos from Instagram and TwitPic and more? I think that's cool, so I'm going to say yes. And then it asks, do you want to highlight the tags? And what that means is in the tweets and in the boards that pop up, or the little bubbles and tweets that pop up, you will actually see they use the tag Times Square in this example, so they highlighted it. And you can turn that off if you want. I'm going to leave it on. So that's what I would choose. I'm going to leave it on. Okay, so now we have the option to save the board. So we save the board, and it shows us what the board would look like. So here we go. Text your message to us here. And then here are the texts from the people I'm following. And we can also add more followers. We can add more. Well, I take that back. You can only do 2, so you can't add any more tags. But you can add more followers. You can add hashtags too, if you want to do it that way. So here, let me test this out. This is what it would be like if somebody texted me on the number that we still don't know. So I'm gonna send a message. What's the number to text you? And I'm gonna send the message, and it'll show up in there in a little while. So while we're waiting for that, we can make it full screen. So now if you have, oh look, well everything's tiny. There we go, it fixed itself. Still haven't seen my message yet. Where is it? Well, hopefully it's coming. But here's what the board would look like. So when you're speaking, you would have this on a screen somewhere. You would actually make it full screen, and it would look really nice. And this is a cool background. I didn't pick it, and I didn't see a place to pick it, so that's pretty interesting. Maybe in the next step, why don't we see what Jeff Hurd's blog says? Let's follow the directions. So here's what we did. Choose your message source. You can use the direct text from mobile devices, text from the web, Twitter hashtags, and Flickr photos that have specific tags. You have the ability to use any one or any combination of all these message sources. Okay, great. So I didn't see where I could choose my message source. This is really it. Hashtags, follow the user. Maybe I could put the source in the tags. I'm not sure. It's not very clear. You decide the content rating from G to R. Nope. Upload a personal background like the event organization's logo. Well, that's awesome. No, there's no place to upload anything. Okay. So, is there a paid version? Preview your screen and watch the search pull in messages from your tags. Okay, I guess that's kind of working. I don't see any tags in here. Name your screen and publish it. Okay, consider naming your screen by the location of where you're displaying an address for geolocation. That's cool. I'll do that in a second. But where is publish? I see save changes. If I click save changes again, I still don't see publish. I do see share this board. That's pretty cool. So I can copy this and give this to somebody. Let's see here. Name your screen and publish it. No. Once you publish the screen, oh, well, look at that. I'm stuck at step 7 because I can't publish the screen. Oh, and then they say when you publish your screen, you receive instructions that look something like this. Number to text with at name of screen. So they tell you what to dial. But that's awesome. But I can't find the publish. So, okay. Then secure large plasma screens or LCD projectors. Well, that's cool. Okay, well, I will. But nobody can send me anything. And then publish how to send a message to the screen directly from the webpage where it's published, text, Okay. Cool. Well, it's free and easy to set up and provides a way for your participants to interact. Yet to see that. So I went to my account, and it's a giant screen full of settings. You can change your profile, and you can edit your account. And then I can log out. So that's really it. That's the whole entire Wiffiti board. Hopefully there's a paid version. I guess I'm going to have to send some information to tech support and figure out what's going on. But check it out. It's a really cool program. And hey, it's free. And that's Wiffiti.